Check out this 2007 Volvo XC90. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day, and memory settings are one of many features. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle information. Call today to schedule a test drive.